If I'm not I'm gonna be very sad.
Wow. Wow. Oh! Yo, did we just juke him? Yo, we just juked Larry.
We gotta fucking go. He's gonna come back up for us.
He's very angry.
This is interesting.
There's one this way. I saw you. He's going to get your friends, but I'm coming for you. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Over here, he's on the. He's turn around, in that corner. No, in the corner. Oh, he looked at me.
Hey, you know you looked at him, right? You looked at him. What are you gonna do?
You wanna
Go in
die?
there. No,
You
go in
wanna-
there.
you
Go
wanna
hide.
fight me?
Hide. Go ahead, hide. Where are you gonna go? Where are you going? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Ooh.
Oh, D-boy.
You shouldn't have looked at him, man.
Oh, D-boy.
Why did you look at him? Why did you look at him? Why did you look at him? Are you glitched?
Look at me.
Look at him!
me.
Look at him!
Oh,
Look at him!
That's unfortunate.
Hey yo, they're all. Some of them are in the room. The outlet for the machine. They're hiding in there. In the corners. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh, what are their bodies do through the wall door?
They're all. Oh.
Hey yo, what's up?
Oh, hey.
What's good? What's good, my dudes?
Looking at the floor.
Hey,
Look
why
at
are you
me.
running? What are you
Look
doing?
at me, you know you wanna.
Those elevators were called out, by the way. I made sure of that.
Look at me, you know you wanna. Standing in front of the switch.
I got one of
Look at
them.
me
He
to
called the
actually use
elevator.
The switch.
Hi there.
Pardon me.
Oh hi.
Get by now.
Really?
That'd be all right.
Really, you need to get by me. Is that so? Well, you see,
That's mean.
I'm hungry.
That's super mean. I don't think you
Just
should.
looking at the floor, hoping to God they don't trigger me. Door is wide open if you want to come in here and kill them.
Oh yeah, okay. Where are they?
One's in front of the switch, the other two are in front of the input. Right on top of me, right on top of me. Right, I'm standing on him. There you go. There you go.
He doesn't have a card to get out. Oh, what's that gonna do? Dude, I bit this one D-boy like 3 times.
Fuck you, bro. Fuck you.
Where are you?
Following him, I'm right behind him.
Hey there, boy. How you doing, boy? Hey, yo, mess with the fucking controls. Yo, you're just standing there. This dude.
No, I'm quiet. Don't know if he can hear me. He can hear me.
Oh yeah, they're all dead. Let's go.
Now that's everybody. A lot of blood on my hands.
There's a lot. Oh wait, where you go? Where you going, huh? Where you going?
Oh, and he triggered me.
Oh, did the doctor get him? Doctor, did you get him?
Yeah.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh shit!
Yo, MTF's over here, watch out.
Hey, what's up? It's all of us. Hey, how's it going?
Whoa.
Hey, it's every single SCP. It's all of us.
Judgment.
Hey, hey! He's a little angry. He's a little angry, boys.
That's unfortunate.
Hey, where are you hiding? I see you hiding over here. Hey, yo, what you shooting at, boy? Where you going? Where you gonna go, huh? Run! Yo, why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Come here.
Why are you running? Get in! Get him! Get him! One of us! One of us! One of us!
One of
One of us!
us.
One of us.
Boss. I think he's still in shock.
Did anyone make
I
it
got
past
chased
us?
down by all the SCPs. Okay, I think I deserve a little bit of shock.
That's true.
I didn't kill
That's-
you.
Hey, this is. He's so fucked.
Look at my lips.
I'm just gonna wait in the elevator for him.
What happened to this guy?
Yo, he got.
Tripped. He tripped.
Oh
he tripped.
shit.
Backwards.
This is too funny.
Your flashlight.
Hey
Kill the
yo,
baby.
where are you running? Where are you going? That ain't gonna save you for long.
Throw the baby
That
on
ain't
the
gonna
floor.
save you for long.
Oh my god, I think I'm gonna die. What the hell?
Hey, yo.
You're done.
Hey yo, what the dog doing though?
Feed the doctor.
What the dog doing?
Feed the doctor.
Resurrect him, resurrect him.
Resurrect him. What the dog doing though?
One of us. One
You guys
of
in
us.
heavy?
One of us.
Yeah, we're all in heavy. One of us.
Yeah, I'm coming back.
There's one left. One left. Are we about to win? Are we about to win? Is this about to be a...
Is that the last one? He's at the surface.
Yo.
Really?
Yo, what the dog doing
Hey,
though?
really?
What the dog doing though?
Surface.
What the dog
When
doing?
we drop it, we just
Leave
let
him
them
behind.
Hey, what the dog
I'm
doing
coming
though?
with you guys. God damn it.
Hey yo, you're the last one. You might want to run. Hey yo, what the dog doing though? What the dog doing though? What the dog doing?
I'm heading out.
Hey, what the dog doing?
Saving BK up.
Doc can at least get downstairs.
Oh shit.
Right, keep going, Doc. You want to go down the hallway. Good. You get to the end of this hallway, you're going to find an elevator, and E on the elevator console that'll take you down.
Oh, you're looking awfully
Alright,
pizza.
now I'm going
Hear me
to
out.
come up to you and tune up.
Hey, I'm just one target. You can have much
He's
better
fucked.
odds elsewhere. Just
Yep. Okay, I got
He
new
tried.
access from that.
He
Cool.
tried.
I got that kill.
He tried.
Awesome.
I like him bargaining.
Awesome. Alright.
What was this one doing? He was just standing here.
They have...
fuck. No.
Why did you open it, close it? No!
I got the door.
God damn it, stop!
I got the door. Oh, go.
By all rights, we should have died there. Oh. Okay, so we're fucking... We're heavily
We're the
armored?
risky boys.
We're heavily armored? I'm adrenaline up. Damn it! I killed him too. And Chaos just spawned.
Chaos just spawned.
I should have threw all my grenades and just said fuck it.
We need help. Like, honestly, this is getting pretty bad.
He's this way. He's over here.
Where?
Point me at him.
Also,
Oh, come on.
I don't know.
Oh, he went up.
Oh, what a bitch. That was the worst place to be.
Dang it, I failed to shoot me.
He's back there with me.
Yeah. They have long distance. Just wait for them to get close. Stop. They can snipe you. Get fucked, yeah!
Damn, that was crazy.
What a gamer, dude.